Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to dive into a topic that I know many of us deal with after a cleanse. We get changes in energy levels and it's all about managing stress. So cleanses can bring so many positive shifts, but sometimes our bodies and minds need extra support to maintain balance afterward. So I'm sharing some of my favourite herbs that help me manage energy and stress post-cleanse. Now, this video is different from the one I did on anti-parasitic herbs and digestive support, the nervous system and mental well-being. So first up, ginseng root. This is one of my go-to herbs, which I really love. And it's great for energy support. It's an adaptogen, which means it helps the body adapt to stress by balancing your energy levels. Now, after a cleanse, it's normal to feel a bit fatigued as your body starts to recalibrate. And ginseng works to give you that steady boost of energy without the crash that comes with caffeine. Now, I usually take it in tea form, and I add a small amount of ginseng root powder sometimes to my morning smoothie, so I grind this into a powder. Now for me, it helps reduce that foggy feeling, and it also provides a natural balanced energy throughout the day. Now let's talk about herbs for mental well-being. For instance, St. John's wort. Now, St. John's wort is known for its mood lifting properties, and it can be a great ally when you're feeling the post-cleanse blues or heightened stress. It helps support the nervous system and promotes a more positive mindset, and I usually take it as a tea. So another favourite of mine is vervain leaves. Oh, I'm never without this one. Now, this herb is fantastic for calming the mind and soothing the nervous system. It's particularly helpful if you're dealing with irritability or restlessness. And I like to make vervain as a tea and sip it in the afternoon as part of my self-care routine. It's like a warm hug in a cup, and it gives me balance, and it gives you a moment to breathe and feel grounded. So those are my go-to herbs for supporting energy and managing stress after a cleanse. Ginseng root for balanced energy, St. John's wort for mood support, and vervain leaves for calming the mind. Incorporating these into your post-cleanse routine can really help your body and mind find their balance again. And if you're interested in sourcing high quality organic herbs like ginseng root, St. John's wort or vervain leaves, you can get them organic at naturalworkshops.com. And as always, please consult a healthcare professional before starting any new herbs, especially if you're taking medications or you have any health conditions, you're breastfeeding or pregnant. So if you're passionate about natural solutions for your health journey, come and join our live Health Seekers Telegram group. It's free to join, and we have fantastic discussions on well-being and natural remedies. I'll drop the link in the description below. So thank you once again for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future content for natural solutions for your well-being. So be happy, stay healthy, and always be wise. I'll see you in the next video.